we go! Of everything for my 300 subscribers. So the whole experience took us about 3 hours. Something like 1.5 of this was inside of the cave, Waitomo Glowworm caves. We couldn't take a GoPro because basically it's too dark, and anyway it's not allowed, but it's okay as we've got quite a lot of photos from that place. Now going to have a soup after having warm shower down the bottom. But on the beginning it's definitely very, very cold. So we were just at KIWi house. You cannot see much as it's dark, and you can't use flash photography at all, because it can make them die basically, because they are blind. The room is very, very dark.